Okay, so we continue with our equation here. So we have a condition is x naught is not minus 4, right? So it is, wait, so we all need to we need to apply the rules so that it can be equivalent equations, right? So this equation is equivalent to 5x plus 7 equal here. We multiply um each hand side. We multiply both sides to x plus 4. Okay. So I'm gonna just write it down here so you can follow easily. Wait here. We multiply each both side for x plus 4. Okay. Because um it can be ruled out here. It can be canceled out for x plus 4 in the left hand side. It becomes 5x plus 7 equal 3 um 3 times x plus 4. So here we need to apply the distributive rules, right? So can you tell me the right hand side, how the right hand side should be transformed?
Mm,
Okay. Right. So our right hand side, I still put it here, equal to 3x plus 12. You are correct. So it is equivalent to, tell me what you're gonna do next.
mm, Transfer then Mm.
Okay, so you need to transpose the 3x to the right hand side, right? 12. Okay, that's the good point here. Okay, so can you please solve the rest for me? Okay, so we it satisfy the condition here, right? X is not minus 4, so this is the true um solution. Okay,
Mhm.
2.5 is the true solution. Okay, so next we're gonna do, I'm gonna write down here. Here. Can you solve it for me? Oh, what?
Okay. Oh,
No, I think you're going the wrong way.
mhm. Mhm.
No, you can transform it like that. That's also wrong. dum, dum, dum. Okay, so do you still remember the rules that any number multiplied by zero is zero? Okay, so it is this equation means that we have either x plus 7 is 0 or 4x plus 3 is 0. So this is a big equation, and this is the two equations. We use that mark is for the branches. You know, it means that it could be x plus 7 is 0 or 4x plus 3 is 0. It means there are two cases here. Okay, so after that is very simple. Okay, after that everything is very simple, right? We just need to, okay, right. So our solution set consists of two numbers, -7 and -3/4. You understand? So can you please do the two and here? You can do two exercises here. 3, 1, x plus 2, 0. Our plan here is to transform everything into the most basic form is the linear equation, right? So if you look at that equation, you can see that the right hand side expression is an quadratic expression, right?
Mm-hmm.
So our idea is to transform it into two linear equation. So yeah, it is much more easier to calculate. Oh my God, I need to. Oh, it's not. When it is the rational expression on the right hand side, so you need to do something to remove the x plus 2 here. You don't have that rules for that property for the number 1. It
Oh,
is only true for the number 0.
what is
In that
this?
case, you need to multiply what?
Oh,
our plan is to cancel out the denominator, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so after that we solve it as a basic linear equation. If you're familiar with the transformation, you can do it very quick. You don't have to write down everything, every step by details like that. So yeah, when you become more familiar, you can do much better and faster.
Right.
Okay, so that step you need to transpose, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Okay, so yeah, done. You can continue to, oh, all right. Okay. So what is your final solution? Can you conclude at that step?
This one?
You can conclude the solution is -2.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Orange. Yeah.
Are you sure that you did not forget something?
Uh, mm, oh. Mm, that- that's-
Hello?
Yeah. Zero over zero is what, right? So
No,
zero over
0
zero.
over 0 is undefined. If the
Oh.
denominator is 0, no matter what is the numerator, it is always undefined. So, okay, here you forgot the condition. The condition for that equation. The first step you need to do is find the condition for that rational expression on the right hand side, which is x plus 2 is non-zero. So x is not equal to minus 2. Okay, so you double check it with your solution here. It is minus 2. So this is a false, this is called the false solution. Oh, wait. Oh my God. This is a for root or solution, right?
Mhm.
For solution. The condition is x is not equal to minus 2, but your solution is minus 2, so it is a false solution. We cannot accept that solution, that root.
Mhm.
Okay. So I can have a way that is much, which is much faster than your way is to here. You can regroup or you can factorize it, the numerator into 3 times parentheses of x plus 2 over x plus 2 equal 1. So it is the equivalent transformation, right? So the numerator and denominator all both have the same term, x plus 2, right? So
Mhm.
you can cancel out x plus 2. Okay? Do you follow that?
Yeah.
Okay. So it is equivalent to 3 equal 1. So which is impossible, right? Impossible. So
Yeah.
our solution set is what I call it. Our
No
solution,
solution, right?
no solution. Okay.
Mm.
You can write it in terms of the sign. It will be here. You can write it like that, or you can write it by word. It means that the solution is it has no solution. Okay. So this is an example of an equation which has no solution. Okay. You write, please solve that equation for me. This equation. In this case, the number is 0. So what would you do? Oh, there are one mistakes with your. Please continue.
Mm,
Okay, minus. It should be minus. Right. Okay. Okay, so that's done. I need to say a bit about the the three case here, which is very important for you to do the several kind of question in the SAT. So you have the basic form of a linear equation is here, right? Like this, basic form, the basic form of linear equation, right? With A and B is constant. A, B are constants. So there are three cases here. If A is 0, then the equation, wait. No, there are four actually. If A is 0 and B is non-zero, then the equation has no solution. Has no solution, right? And if A is 0 and B is also 0, then the equation has infinitely many solutions. Basically, this case we will have the form 0 equals 0, which is always right, right?
mm-hmm.
Which is always right. So there, the solution set of this kind of equation will be infinitely many solution. Okay. And if A is non-zero and B is 0, then the solution for the equation is always x equals 0. And if A is non-zero and B is also non-zero, then the solution will be x equals minus b over a. Okay. So there are four cases here. There are four ways. There are four cases. And you need to remember that. Please write down these four cases because it is very important. Here we have a very basic question. Oh my God, what's so hard? Okay, so here we have a exercise. You need to apply the rules I just mentioned for you and solve that exercise. It's gonna end in 6 minutes, so after that you just need to rejoin the link I already sent to you on the class in.
All right. Mm,
So first you need to solve that exercise. Choose A, B, or C. Has exactly one solution. You need to recall the thing I've already said to you. I will recall it for you here. We have here is the basic form, right? If if the A is a non-zero um, numbers,
mm,
the solution, the equation will has only one solution, exactly one. Oh, what? Why? Okay, if exactly one solution. Oh my God, why solution? Okay,
mm.
the condition here is A is non-zero. So the coefficient of the x should be non-zero. You need to identify the coefficient of the x.
Mm, 19. Coefficient.
First, you need to transform it a bit to our basic form. You need
Mhm.
to transform it first to basic form. The basic form is ax plus b is 0, equals 0. Mhm. Plus b plus c plus b plus c. Okay, you need to write down it on the board, or do you have a tablet? Uh,
No,
if you can use the tablet, it is much easier to write down on the board.
I I don't have a tablet.
Okay.
Mm,
In less than a minute 22. Okay.
uh,
Wait, it's just gonna end. Oh.